welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very fun video for you guys. I am going to be unboxing my Fab Fit Fun box that I received from Fabfitfun. I want to thank them so much for partnering with me. This is my first time working with them and I'm super excited about all of the products that came in my box. I did hand select them. If you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal subscription box, and what it is, you basically each season go through and they have a list that you can choose from, and you will receive a box that is full of all kinds of goodies for that season. So this is their winter 2020 box, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is it. Looks very wintry, right? Right? Love the way the box looks on the outside. Snowflakes, looks like snow pretty much. So I'm going to go ahead on and I'm going to show you guys what's inside of here. It is my first time unboxing it. I have not used any of these products as of yet, but I'm excited to use them, so let's see what we got. All right, so we're going to start off with, well, let me show you what it looks like from the inside first. This is everything that's in my box. So I'm going to go through the box, show you guys everything one by one. And I'm also going to probably do like a follow-up video on some of the items that I'm going to be using. I do want to share with you why I selected the things that I selected. So first off, they have the Fabfitfun Winter 2020 book, which is featuring Katie Couric on the front of it. Inside of the Fabfitfun book, it shows you all of the products that you can receive in each subscription box, and it also gives you the total value. So the good thing about Fabfitfun is that you get this complete box of goodies, right? But it is valued at over $200. Like, everything in this box is only $200. But if you have a seasonal subscription, you get it for only $49.99. However, Fabfitfun was nice enough to give me a coupon code to give to you guys. So if you put a Daisy in as your coupon code, then you get the seasonal subscription box for only $39.99. And so if you compare $39.99 and over $200 worth of products, that's actually really dope. So I'm going to show you like what I picked out and what the actual value is inside of the book, like if you were to go and like buy it separately, so that you can actually see, you know, what the benefit of it is. But I already see some of the stuff that I actually did get. And then they also have and then Fabfitfun, you guys, also support the Stand Up to Cancer charity organization. So whenever you do you know, have a subscription with them, a portion of those proceeds do go to that organization, which is really, really great. All right, so anyway, let's get on to the fun stuff. I know y'all want to see what I have. So first thing I have is looks like $80 off HelloFresh. So I've been seeing like HelloFresh videos and people who actually use it and actually really enjoy it. So I'm actually gonna probably give this a try because I really have been wanting to test it out. So I have a coupon for that. I have this daily facial brush, and I'm really excited about this, y'all, because the one thing, I've had a brush before, but let me take it out so you guys can really see it. It's one of those wooden brushes, and the bristles are really nice, and you apply your whatever your cleanser is, your soap or whatever, and you just go around, yes, and get rid of all that dead skin from the day. But yeah, so I'm gonna be using this definitely, and I will update you guys because this year I am going to be doing a lot more lifestyle videos, so you guys will see my skincare routine and just some other morning routines, but this is going to be a part of it. How much is this brush? This brush is valued at $20. So this is a $20 brush if you were to get it outside of this box. So if you actually combine that, like this is only one product, that's 20 bucks, and if the entire subscription is $40, then you're already winning, you know. So next we have these Kate Spade workout socks. So one of my resolutions for 2021, considering that I need to lose my quarantine 15, was to start back working out and, you know, get my body and be as fit as can be. So when I saw that they had these, I was like, oh, this is dope, because sometimes when you're in the house and you're working out, you might not want to put on tennis shoes. So instead you can put on these workout socks, and they actually have this rubber grip at the bottom, which is the same as having on shoes, and it's going to keep you from sliding while you're on the elliptical or the treadmill or whatever resistance training that you're doing. So these are by Spade, and they are $24, and this is 2 pairs, so it's 4 socks. Really dope. Can't wait to use these. Now skincare is very important, really, at all ages. So I have this pore purifying cleanser, which is by Dr. Brandt. When I was selecting the products that I wanted for the box, I did research this just to see, you know, what the reviews were on it, and it had some really good reviews. It has tea tree oil in it and white willow bark, and you guys know that tea tree is really good herb. So I'm excited to use this, and I will be using it with my new brush. Okay, it is valued at, how much is this? Oh, this is a $36 product. So if you did not receive this in the box, y'all, it's $36. So this year I really wanted to get a bar cart, and so I am getting me a bar cart finally, right? And I asked them to give me these glasses. Well, I didn't ask them. I selected these glasses as part of my box, and so these are the Bumshi B glasses. They're champagne flutes. I'm gonna take it out so you can see it. I love glasses. I love dinnerware. You guys know that. I love tableware. I love home decor. So there are some times when you can, oh, look how sleek this is. Oh, these are nice. So they have this curved top right here. If you can see the curve on the top, really dope glass. So I got 4. I have 4 of these. Oh, I love these. Your girl gonna be sipping champagne. Sipping champagne. 4 of those. And those glasses are, how much are those glasses? Let me see if I can find them for you guys. Oh, I don't even see them in here. Maybe I got lucky. Oh, okay. So those glasses are $51, y'all. $51. If you have those set of 4 champagne glasses. Wow. Okay. I also got a liquid eyeliner. I do wear liquid eyeliner across the top of my eye, not so much on the bottom, but I love a good liquid eyeliner. And this one is by Aesthetica. How much is it? Okay, it is 21 bucks. So it is a high impact liquid eyeliner. Love this. Let's see what the brush looks like. I like a firm eyeliner brush, so let's see if it's firm or, let's open it. Okay, it is firm, guys. You know how some eyeliners are like really flippy, loose, like a paintbrush, and so when you're putting it on, it's like really hard to stay steady. I like when it's firm like this because you actually get to like have a really good grip on your detail. Dope. Okay, excited to use this. This is a card holder, below the belt card holder for your business cards. Get your network on. The card holder is, oh, because of its crocodile croc. Oh, it's a croc card case, so it's 35 bucks. Wow. You guys see, it's croc. Okay. I also received this scarf. I love me some charcoal gray, guys. I love charcoal gray. I love black. I love brown. I love neutral tone colors when it comes to clothes. Oh, it's so soft. Yes, it has frills on the end of it. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, the price tag on here says $69.50, and this is Lucky Brand Los Angeles. Wow, looking good, looking good. All right, so next, what else do I have? Okay, I think this is the last thing in the box. These are a set of 4 cutting boards. You can never have enough cutting boards if you cook, if you're in your kitchen a lot. They're like 4 different colors, but they're the flexible, soft, so they'll be easy to really wash and stuff, you know, do your dishes with. They are valued at, okay, so the set of 4 is $19.95. So the set of 4 of these are basically 20 bucks. And yeah, I'm gonna be using these, put these inside of my kitchen drawer. Yes, okay. So guys, that is everything in my Fab Fit Fun box. I'm really happy with my selections. I'm happy with what I have. I will do a follow-up video so you guys can actually see how some of these things work. And again, if you want to have your own subscription, like I said, use my code Daisy down below in the description box, and I will give you the link to their site. But it is a really good value for all of these products. Like, really, this is dope. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Feel free to check out Fabfitfun. Thanks to Fabfitfun again for partnering with me on this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, Daisies.